Hello again. Before you upload your next YouTube video, there is one important step you need to complete, because if you ignore it, you may discover that some useful YouTube features are unavailable when you need them most. Imagine spending hours planning your video. You record it, you edit it, add music, you design a powerful thumbnail. Everything looks professional. Then you're ready to upload. But when it is time to use an important feature, you discover that your channel has not completed the verification process needed to unlock it. That can be frustrating. And here is something many beginners do not know. Some people verify their phone number and immediately start looking for a verification checkmark beside their channel name. But that is not how it works. Phone verification and the official YouTube verification badge are two different things. So what does YouTube channel verification actually do? What features can it help you unlock? How do you verify your channel correctly? What should you do if you do not receive the verification code? And how can you check whether your channel has access to additional YouTube features? In this lesson, I will explain everything step by step, but make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you where to check your channel's feature eligibility and explain one mistake that causes many beginners to misunderstand their verification status. Welcome to Julijetek YouTube Success Lab, where we simplify YouTube and help you build your channel with the right knowledge. What is YouTube channel verification? Before we start clicking buttons, let us first understand what channel verification means. YouTube channel verification is a process that helps you to confirm information connected to your channel. It may allow you to unlock additional features that are not immediately available when you create a new YouTube channel. Think of it as one of the important setup steps that prepares your channel for serious content creation. At Julijetek, we do not want you to create a YouTube channel and start clicking buttons without understanding what each setting does. We want you to understand the platform so that you can make better decisions as a creator. When you create a new channel, some basic features may already be available. However, other features may require to complete additional verification. Depending on YouTube's current requirements, verification may help you access features such as uploading longer videos, adding custom thumbnails, using certain live streaming features, accessing additional YouTube tools. YouTube may update its features and verification requirements from time to time. That means the option shown on your account may be different from the option shown on another creator's account. So do not worry if your screen looks slightly different from the one shown in the lesson. The most important thing is to check the information displayed inside your own YouTube account. Before we continue, comment Julijetek, I am ready. If you're following this lesson and you're ready to set up your channel properly, do not just watch quietly. Drop the comment, because every step you complete brings you closer to building your YouTube channel. Now, let's continue. Why is channel verification important? Imagine that you have created your first serious YouTube video. You spent several hours researching the topic. You recorded the video. You edited it carefully. You added text, transition, music, and other effects. Then you designed a professional thumbnail. You are excited because you believe the video can attract viewers. But when you want to upload or use a particular feature, you discover that your channel has not completed required verification. Now, you may have to stop what you're doing and complete the verification process before continuing. That is why it is better to check your channel clearly. Do not wait until you urgently need a feature. Set up your channel properly from the beginning. At Julijetek, we believe that a successful YouTube channel is built on a strong foundation. Before focusing only on views and subscribers, you should understand your channel settings and make sure important setup steps are completed. One feature many creators care about is the ability to use a custom thumbnail. A custom thumbnail is an image you create specifically to encourage viewers to click your video. Instead of allowing YouTube to select a random frame from your video, you can upload a thumbnail that communicates the value of the video quickly. Your thumbnail may include clear image, bold and readable text, a strong facial expression, your channel branding, a visual message that creates curiosity. At Julijetek, we teach that your title and thumbnail should work together. Your title should make viewers curious. Your thumbnail should give them a visual reason to click. But remember, a good thumbnail can attract a click, but valuable valuable content help keeps viewers watching. That is why every part of your YouTube channel matters. Now let me show you how to check and verify your channel. The next video will show you how to check feature eligibility on YouTube.
So you have to follow this step closely so that you'll be able to do it, and I'll show you everything. And this particular verification is very important if you actually want to monetize your channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything, so let's get dived in. All right, so the first thing first that you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser. So here on my phone, I will go to the Chrome browser and then go to maybe Chrome browser or Edge browser. Okay, so you search here YT Studio. Okay, just search for YouTube Studio. All right, this YouTube Studio, tap on it. So when you open your YouTube Studio, it will either take you to YouTube Studio on web, or it will take you to YouTube Studio on phone browser. So we don't want to use the YouTube Studio on the phone browser, okay, because there are some features there that we do not have as at this particular time, okay. So, but after clicking on that link and it takes you to your YouTube Studio application, let me show you the settings that you will need to do so that you will be able to stop that. So just go to the settings of your phone. I don't know the kind of phone that you are using actually, but if you are using Android, go to the settings. You can also try this out in if you are using maybe iOS or whatever. So, and also depending on the phone, the type of phone that you're actually using. Okay, so you type here in your setting defaults, because we don't want it to always takes you to your YouTube Studio app on your phone. So when you type default, you search for opening links. I don't know whether your phone will actually open the opening links for you after typing default, but you can search for opening links. Okay, search for opening links or defaults, but look for this particular one. Okay, so you tap on it, and then when you tap on it, it will load some applications. So go to YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. You can even search for YouTube Studio. So you know it is Y, so it is maybe down. Okay, so this is YouTube Studio. So open it, and then you see my own is set to in your browser. If you tap in your browser, you are going to see that it will open in your browser. Okay, about this one, if you open in the app, it will actually open in the app. Anytime that you click the link to YouTube Studio, it will take you to the app. So make sure you do these settings in your phone in order to use this particular feature. If you want to use it on your browser, make sure you do this setting. Make sure you set YouTube Studio to open in your browser instead of in your app, except it is you that actually want to open it in the browser, but currently we want to open it in the app. So now we go back to the app, and then you see here continue to studio. So click the continue to studio, and it will open for us in the studio. And then a few steps that I want to show you is very easy and very simple. Okay, so allow it to load. So when it loads, make sure that you select the right Gmail address. So to know whether you are selecting the right Gmail address, you are going to see here, see this particular place here. So you just click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see here switch account. This is a switch account. So you can actually switch accounts. Okay, so when you tap there, you will see that you have different email address, and then different accounts will show. Your YouTube, different channels that are under those Gmail address will show if you are using more than one Gmail address, and then you select the channel that you actually want to do this particular setting. All right, so when you select that particular channel, you are going to see that this particular menu will come up. Okay, that particular menu. So you tap on that menu bar. Let me show you again. This is the menu bar here. So this is the menu bar here. So you tap on it, and it's open for you. And when you tap on it, you come down here to the left corner of your phone, and then you are going to see settings. So you click on that settings here. So click on the settings, and then the settings will open for you. So now when you see the settings, you are going to go down. You will see channel. Okay, so this is the channel here. Click on the channel. So I click on the channel now, and then after clicking on the channel, you're going to see them that we have different features under the channel. We have here basic, and we also have here advanced setting. We also have here feature eligibility. All right, so you can click on this particular feature eligibility. So you can click on feature eligibility, so you will see the features that you are eligible, that your channel is eligible to have. So you see that we have one feature here, we have another one, the second feature here, and we have the third one here. So this is exactly, this particular place is exactly where you need to enable your phone number, to verify your phone number, enable the features that your channel need so that you'll be able to monetize your channel. All this particular place is where you need to do all those settings. Okay, so you come here to standard features. So under the standard features, you see that they will ask you to enable it. So for you to enable it, they will ask you to perform some actions. Some they can even ask you to snap your picture or something like that. So you just enable those particular features. Okay, and then the second one is the intermediate feature. So you click it. If you click it, the intermediate features, they will also tell you that you'll be able to have custom thumbnail, live streaming, and video longer than 15 minutes. But what you need to do is to verify your phone number. So you see here, I have already verified the phone number of this particular channel. That is why you're not seeing verified. So what you're just going to do is to tap on that place to verify the phone number. Then they're going to send a code to your phone number, the phone number that you put, and then you type in the code and then click OK again, and the phone number will be verified. So you refresh your page, and then it will show like this. And now if you tap on this particular this other feature here, advanced feature, so this particular part, they will ask you to do video verification. So here they will ask you to verify video, maybe, or valid ID or whatever thing. So you choose the one that you want. You can either choose video verification, or maybe you choose valid ID, whatever thing. So you just choose it. Make sure that your channel has this particular feature enabled in order for you to post videos, get monetized, and grow your channel. Okay, so that is the page, that is the particular tutorial that we want to show you. And if you like this particular tutorial, this is Julijetek tutorials.
Your verification code is private. Do not send it to anyone, and only enter it on an official YouTube or Google verification page. What if you do not receive the verification code? Sometimes the verification code may not arrive immediately. If that happens, do not enter random numbers or keep requesting codes repeatedly. First, check that you select the correct country, then confirm that you enter the correct phone number. Make sure your phone has a network connection and can receive text messages or calls. Wait for a few minutes because messages may sometimes be delayed. If the text message does not arrive, try the automated voice call option if YouTube provides it. If you still experience a problem, check the help information available inside YouTube. Also, remember that YouTube may limit how often a phone number can be used for verification. So, avoid using the same number repeatedly for many channels. Now, this is where many beginners become confused. Phone verification may unlock some features. However, YouTube may require additional verification before allowing access to certain advanced features. Depending on YouTube's current requirements, you may need to build channel history, verify your identity, complete another verification process. YouTube may provide different options for completing these requirements. For example, your account may display an identity verification option or another method supported by YouTube. Options available to you may not be exactly the same as the options available to another creator. That is why at Julijetek YouTube Success Lab, we encourage you to understand the process instead of memorizing only the buttons. YouTube may change the position of a button, but when you understand the purpose of the setting, you will still know what to look for. Check the information inside your own feature eligibility section and follow the instructions provided there. Now pay close attention because this is one of the biggest misunderstandings among new YouTubers. There are two different things. The first is channel verification for unlocking features. The second is the official YouTube verification badge. When you verify your phone number, YouTube may unlock additional features for your channel, but it does not automatically place a verification check mark beside your channel name. The official verification badge is a separate process. It is generally used to help viewers identify, establish, and authentic channels. So if you verify your phone number and you do not see a check mark beside your channel name, do not assume that your verification failed. Your phone verification may still be successful. The check mark is simply not the same thing. At Julijetek, we want you to understand these differences so you do not become confused by incorrect information online. Now that you understand the difference, comment Julijetek, I understand. If you now know that phone verification is different from the official YouTube verification badge, this is an important lesson because many beginners confuse these two processes. If you're enjoying this lesson, remember that Julijetek YouTube Success Lab is designed to guide beginners step by step. We are not only teaching you how to upload videos, we are helping you understand how YouTube works, how to set up your channel, how to plan content, how to create better videos, and how to build a strong foundation for growth. If you also want to learn video editing, graphic design, AI content creation, or other practical digital skills, check the available courses and resources from Julijetek. You can find more information through the link or contact details in the video description. Now, let us continue. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not use another person's phone number without permission. Do not share your verification code. Do not enter your verification code on an unofficial website. Do not assume that phone verification automatically gives you the official YouTube verification badge. Do not ignore your feature eligibility page after verifying your phone number. Do not repeatedly request verification codes within a short period. And do not create many channels just to avoid verification requirements. Build your channel properly and follow YouTube's instructions. Before you leave this lesson, open YouTube Studio and check Settings, Channels, Feature Display, then complete any verification step available to you. After checking your account, comment one of these. If your channel is already verified, Julijetek, my channel is verified. If you still need to complete the process, Julijetek, I will verify my channel. Remember, watching gives you information. Taking action helps you make progress. Let us quickly recap what you learned. You learned that channel verification can help unlock additional YouTube features. You learned how to check your channel status by going to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channels, Feature eligibility. You learned that phone verification may be required to access some features. You also learned that certain advanced features may require additional verification or channel history. And most importantly, you learned that phone verification is different from the official YouTube verification badge. Your YouTube channel is now becoming more complete. You have learned how to create a Google account. You have learned the difference between a personal channel and a brand channel. And now you understand how YouTube channel verification works. These steps may look small, but they are important. At Julijetek, we believe that successful YouTube creators are built through knowledge, practice, consistency, and action. A strong YouTube channel is not built by uploading videos alone. It is built by setting up the right foundation, understanding the platform, creating valuable content, and applying what you learn consistently. In the next lesson, we will continue setting up your channel and preparing it for growth. If this lesson helps you, like the video and share it with someone who is creating a YouTube channel. Then comment Julijetek YouTube Success Lab so we know you completed this lesson. And remember, do not just watch, learn, apply, grow. For more YouTube training, content creation, resources, and practical digital skills, check the information in the video description and stay connected with Julijetek. See you in the next lesson.